There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Nestled on 2.94 acres with a beautiful seasonal creek, this home has over 4,000 square foot of pure magic. Built in 2005, this beautiful gem offers 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, with plenty of space for your Munchkin crew.
This covered screen and porch is perfect for relaxing and listening to the creek. Are you looking for your castle at the end of the yellow brick road? Well, this main level primary suite is just that. It offers everything you deserve.
The magic continues upstairs with 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms.
Ready for movie night? This room is perfect for Wizard of Oz marathons.
Or come check out the unfinished space ready for your next DIY project.
So click those heels together and come see this home for yourself.
Because there really is no place like home. I'm Amber Clem.
And I'm Amanda Downs.
And we are with LPT Realty.